Welcome to the section. Alright, we will start with understanding what is a network and why do we care for it. Going by the definition, a network is an interconnection between two or more nodes that share data. For now, we should not focus on the term nodes but on the definition itself. When two or more machines connect to each other so that they can transfer files, data, or other information, they form a network. This is a simple put definition. To make transmission of data possible, we need a channel that can serve as a link between these two connected devices so that they can share data, resources, and information over it. The connecting media or the channel can be of different types depending on the requirement of the communication. The nodes can be connected through a wired cable to form a wired network, or they can also be connected seamlessly without wires to form what we know as a wireless network. Now let us understand the concept with this analogy. This is a network of different people. So these are Shelly, Nick, Tommy, this is Laura, and then this one is Charles. So all of them have to share information, and so they decided to form a group or a network of their own so that they can share information on it. We all have networks of people we are connected to. In such a similar way, computers or nodes or devices come together to connect and make a network so that they can share the information across it. Such group of devices is also known as a computer network. So this is a computer network of 5 PCs, and all of them are connected together so that they can share data and information and also the resources through each other. So this is a computer network.